You have a complete passion to help people, to style them, to give them an image makeover, but you don't know where to begin. So many questions. So I'm here to simplify it for you and tell you exactly how you can start in this field, what do you require as skills, and how you can earn money as an image consultant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can become an image consultant and how to start about it. Now, if you have the passion to style people, to help them look and feel good, then this is what you are looking for. So answering the first question, who exactly is an image consultant? So now, an image consultant is a person who helps other people in their appearance, behavior, communication, etiquettes, and other soft skills as well. You can help people style, you can help people look and feel good, and you can pass confidence to them. One option and the easiest way to get started is to do your research. Completely understand if this is something you're looking for and you are passionate about. You can then go ahead and take a formal training in the same program. Usually, the training of an image consultant can vary anywhere from about 15 to 20 days up to 5 to 6 months. Image consultancy is usually a certification program, and I did it from London Image Institute, which is originally based out of US, but they hold their courses in various countries. I went to London, and for 30 days we had vigorous trainings in advanced level as well as the beginner level, where we learned everything about the colors, fashion, styling, behavior, communication skills to become a complete image consultant and start in the market as soon as we are done with the program. Of course, you can start right after your training program and work with the clients. Or on the other hand, you can also work with an existing image consultant and gain hands-on experience in the field. Becoming an image consultant is incredibly rewarding and gratifying. What better when you can help people look and feel their best? One another misconception that this is only for women and by women. On the other hand, this is a job that can be done by anyone. You could be a male or female but still be an image consultant and help anyone. In my experience, it's incredibly rewarding, but you need to put hard work, dedication, and consistency to make sure that you excel in this field. Also, this is an upcoming field in India, so this is the right time to enter the market and create your niche. When I finished my program in 2017 from London, I had already been in fashion industry, so clearly I wanted to choose the aspect of styling more than soft skills. Once I came back, I wanted to understand Indian market. So I also went and worked with an image consultant who had been working in India for quite a while to understand the intricacies of Indian market. And then once I was more confident about my skills, I started practicing with my close ones. And then through networking, friends, and close circles, I started getting work eventually. But it was only in 2020-21 when I realized that this market is just getting bigger and I needed to expand myself and make myself more visible to people. It's then when I went online, started using mediums like Instagram, websites to reach out to more people, hired somebody who has an expertise in the strategic marketing to reach more and more people. And then I went ahead and niched down. Now, image consultant has a lot of expertise from appearance to body language, communication, and I needed to understand the market that I wanted to work with. I chose women and I chose appearance and styling to start with. And that's where I started developing program which would cater to my niche and my kind of women. And now I work with different women across globe and I help them not only dress better but also give them confidence to look and feel their best every single day of their lives. So in my experience, it's rewarding, but do not forget to do the hard work that it requires. And one more thing, stay consistent and you will see the result. So now here are 4 things that you need to do to become an image consultant. Number 1, develop your expertise. As an image consultant, you really need to know your job and you really need to understand the aspects of your own image, which includes personal branding, your own styling, communications, and a strong presence. Remember, as an image consultant, when you are going to help people build all of these skills, you should be the one who should be at par with them. You should be able to do your own hair, makeup, Even stand tall as you walk. Remember, when you walk the talk is when people start trusting and believing in you. To become an image consultant, you should look like one. Number two, get a certification. Irrespective if you have great passion or even knowledge about the subject, I would highly recommend that go and get a certification. If you are going to work with clients, if you are going to work with universities or college, it's important to build that trust and make sure you have a certification at any given point. Not only this will help you gain more knowledge and experience, but it will make you more credible in the market. Now that you have built your expertise, you've got your certification, it's time to build your network. Build your network, connect with right people, understand where you can fit in and how you can reach out to more people. You can also join some organizations, even the BNI groups, wherein you will meet a lot of like-minded people who will help you grow. Remember, networking is one of the best ways to expand your business and meet more and more people. This gives you visibility and a chance to appear at more places. And now that you have developed your skill as an image consultant, you are ready to grow as one, it's time to market yourself. Remember, that is the only key to get business that you are looking for. Make sure that you start developing your websites. You're on different platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, where you can reach out to the potential customers or corporates or universities, whatever might be your forte. By following these simple 4 steps, you can easily become an image consultant. But remember that this is an ongoing process and learning should never stop. So make sure that you keep upgrading your skills, expand your knowledge, and always remember, actively market yourself, otherwise you will become irrelevant. And I promise you, with hard work, dedication, and following these simple steps, you can become a successful image consultant who will be happily ready to help people and making a difference in so many people's lives. I hope you enjoyed this video and this is going to add some value if you're looking to become an image consultant. Make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing content like this. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.